Hi, my name is Anna and I'm from Elastic Email Team. And today I'm going to show you how to verify your domain. So first you need to log into your Elastic Email dashboard, and on the Start tab there is a Verify Domain option. When you click on that, you will be presented with a screen like this with two buttons, Verify Email and Verify Domain. You can also notice that there is already one email verified, and it's due to the fact that when you first create your Elastic email account, you will receive an authentication request on your inbox. When you click on this link, that will result in your email being verified and ready to go. If you want to add another email, you can just click on the Verify Email option, type in your email address, and click on Verifying Email. You will receive similar authentication request, and when you click on it, it will be also verified. If you want to verify your domain, you need to click on the Verify Domain option, type in your domain, and click Add. Now you will have a couple of ways to verify your domain, and today we're going to focus on SPF and DKIM. If you want to verify your domain using SPF, click in here and you will have a complete guide on how to do this. But we're going to show it to you now. So what you need to do is you need to log into your domain provider webpage. We used GoDaddy. And you need to find a place when you can edit or manage your DNS records. It will look pretty similar. The options will be pretty similar, so I'm sure you're going to find it. I have my DNS records right here, so I'm going to click on that. Okay, so we have accessed our DNS records, and what we need to do is we need to add another line. So we're going to add and select type text, and we have an option to add host and text value. So let's just quickly go to the Elastic Email dashboard, and you can see that there is a host/name, which we need to type add. And there is also a value that we can copy and paste it right here. And when you click on save, this will be added. And now you have your SPF record done. So we can close this. Now, what you can do is you can also do the DKIM verification, which is also really, really simple. So when you click on that, you see that you need to create a text record, and there is a host name and value, very similar to the SPF one. So let's just quickly go back to our records and let's add another line. Let's select the text type. Let's copy the host name to the clipboard. And let's copy the value as well. So let's save it, and there we go. Now we have a second line that is DKIM verification. So we can close this now. What we have here is that you can see that it's not yet showing as verified. So what you can do is you can click the verify option, and it will take just a second, but it's a really handy tool because it's gonna see if everything went right. And there we go. And there we go. So you can see that the SPF and DKIM is already verified, and let's just refresh the page to actually see it on our dashboard. When you refresh the page, you can see that both of them have check marks now, so that means that you're verified. Sometimes you will not see the check mark right away, and it's due to the fact that domain record propagation can take a while to refresh. So I would just give it from 1 hour up to 24 hours for it to just get up to date. I hope that this was very helpful for you, and I'll see you in the next one.